Today I'm teaching you how to buy USDC on Coinbase. This is a pretty straightforward process. Obviously, make sure you have a Coinbase account and that you've ID verified, as it can block you from buying cryptocurrencies and you don't want that to happen. Secondly, you're going to want to add a payment method. So the way I do that is I go to pay with over here, and then I basically just hit add payment method. And then here it gives you a couple options on things you can actually add. Once you got that set up, then what I'd like to do is buy USDC. And for those that are unaware, USDC is basically just a way to hold your money as it is for the US dollar. And the only difference is that you gain a 4% APY. So think of this kind of as like a medium yield savings account. So the way you buy USDC is you click this, and then once you see this, you hit deposit cash. Then you select the amount you want to deposit. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be depositing $5 into my USDC using my PayPal. So again, if you're on the screen and you don't have a payment option, you just click it, add payment, and you'll get all the options you can choose from. For this, I'm going to be putting $5. I'm going to go ahead and hit preview. As you can see, there's a 12-cent fee. It is what it is. And with that being said, I'm just going to go ahead and deposit now. So it says your deposit is pending. It should take a few seconds, but before you know it, you'll both get a phone notification if your PayPal is connected to your phone, and a notification on Coinbase saying that it has been completed. So as you can see, my number has just bumped up. So if I hit done, this should say that I bought USDC. We go and refresh the page. Yeah, plus $5 of USDC. So this was a pretty short and simple tutorial. If this helped, consider subscribing.